Okay. I'm glad Lauren's okay with us now. We decided to become buddies again after that little fight.
So, you think the origami killer killed Manifest?
That
makes sense. Didn't want him spilling his specimen.
And you suspect Gordy Kramer, right?
Oh, him or one of his men. Gordy has the time and the means, not to mention the fucked up attitude going on with it. He's only a suspect, but he's a pretty guilty looking one.
I doubt he is, actually.
Yeah, I've been working on him for a couple of years. Don't have a mountain of paperwork.
Magazines about origami. Do you think the killer could have subscribed to one of those?
If he was even remotely interested in origami in the last few years, his name may be in there somewhere. Trouble is, there's over 500 names. It gets the squad.
I'm starving. Do you have anything to eat?
No chef, but I should be able to make some scrambled eggs if you like.
Great. Soaking wet. I need to warm up a little. Is it okay if I take a shower?
Oh yeah, that'll get rid of your wetness.
Go to my bedroom, it's the next door. I'll cook up the eggs while you're under the shower.
I have to say, this apartment could be small, but still pretty big. Oh yeah, the eggs would be in the fridge. What the hell? These eggs aren't even in the carton. I mean, I'd say people do that, but still, it looks weird. There's a plate. Well, don't drop these eggs. Okay, it shows the plate, but I have to use the pan. Oh, I could probably use that plate just to put the eggs on after I cook them. I'm such a good chef. Mmm. How will I know when they're done?
Eggs should be ready by now.
Okay, let's take them off then. I just waited here. A watch pot never boils, you know what they say. Ah. I'm a scrambled egg master. All Ethan had to do was put chicken in the microwave.
I took the liberty of borrowing a bathrobe.
I have a red bathrobe. Yeah, it's red. I don't know, red bathrobes just look better on women, I guess. Hey, that almost looks good enough to eat.
What's that?
The subtitles came up, but not the actual voice recording.
About 30 clients bought spare parts for Royal machines in the last 10 years. The killer was one of them.
Checking out the alibi of 30 clients, one by one. That's a lot of legwork.
Except that if we cross-checked them with the list. The list of subscribers to origami magazines. You still got that, right?
Yeah. Lauren, wait.
Wow, Lauren's really smart. I'm actually glad I had her as my sidekick.
If the killer really used a royal typewriter and if he subscribes to an origami magazine, his name should be on both lists.
Well, Lauren, that's just an assumption, but yeah, I suppose.
His name is here somewhere. Help me. We're gonna find him.
I'll help you. See, this is my seat. I should be sitting here. It would still take a lot of work, though, to be honest. Would you find it? There's not supposed to be any actual dialogue, by the way. I think it's just supposed to be one of those things where it's just like a time lapse. Oh, Lauren's a genius.
The only guy whose name was on both lists died when he was 10. What are you gonna do now? Pick up his coffin and make sure he's dead?
I know it doesn't
Oh
make
wow,
any
that's
sense. Unless the killer was only using his name.
But why use the name of a kid who died 30 years ago?
Well, that's what we came to find out. The name is John Shepard. It should be on a grave around here somewhere.
okay.
You never give up, do you?
Well, I think you've already figured that out. Oop. Oh, okay.
It's cold. It's raining. I'm standing outside getting soaked. Oh, how I love my job. I should be investigating Gordy Kramer right about now. And here I am, standing in the cemetery, pouring rain, looking for the grave of a kid who's been dead for 30 years.
Excuse me. I'm looking for the grave of a young boy who died about 30 years ago. His name is John Shepard. You wouldn't know where it is by any chance.
Jonathan
The
Jackson.
graves are in the next plot. Thanks.
Excuse me. I'm
Help
looking
me.
for the grave of a boy named John Shepard. Straight ahead. A little further on.
Straight ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Lauren.
I found it.
I found it.
Don't repeat after me. People seem to be putting fresh flowers here.
These flowers are fresh. Looks like someone's still tending the grave. Origami figures.
That's one not a coincidence.
Oh, youngin'. That one I knew well. You knew John Shepard? I've worked this graveyard nearly all my life. I
Wow.
remember what happened. It was in 77. October.
Tell us more, Grave Digger. Are we actually playing the flashback now? It seems we are.
He's drunk again.
Really?
What are we gonna do? It's pouring rain. I'm gonna get soaked if we spend the day outside.
Well, at least you won't get beat. Little rain never hurt nobody. Come on, let's go play.
It's not a little rain.
Fish can't catch me!
Wow, I actually am playing.
Mom won't be back from work till later.
Cool, I actually get to play another character. Oh, there's another character we get to play.
Being out in the rain is nothing compared to being in when he's like that.
I'm already here. I'm already here. Now, am I actually playing? Am I playing as John or am I playing his brother? Apparently, I don't know. Let me get you up. I don't even know which one I am. Am I John or his brother? Or friend? I don't know.
The construction site is empty. Makes for a great playground.
Oh. Huh. We live in a construction site. That's cool. Whoa.
Move your ass. I'm waiting.
I'm waiting.
Come on. Gee, you're in nothing.
You ain't nothing but a slowpoke. You didn't even finish your sentence.
Bitch can't do that.
Oh, really? Challenge accepted. Yeah, I'm a free running master. Mirror's Edge couldn't beg on his knees.
John is going too fast.
Oh, this is John, so who am I? I'm his brother.
Gee,
Or friend, I
you're
don't know.
nothing but a slowpoke.
Well, at least he actually finished his sentence this time.
Come on, loser.
Oh, thanks.
What you doing? You're coming or not?
I'm coming, it's just really hard to, it's kind of hard to navigate sometimes in this game. Ugh. Oh my god. It's kind of dangerous. Please don't tell me I can actually die here. Well, I'm doing well so far. I almost landed on top of John. Oh, wait for me.
I think he went down here.
Yeah, I saw it with my own eyes. You don't need to tell me. There you are, John.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Oh, wow. Okay, see ya. Oh. Oh. Ow, that would have hurt my legs. Oh,
Johnny could do this. It's too hard for you.
No,
It's
Jeff,
not
I can
too
do it
hard.
first. Just watch.
if I could climb over that beam, this shouldn't be too hard. Whoa! Fail. Almost. Oh, come on. Almost. Oh, I made it. Okay.
John, wait for me.
Get a move on.
Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Made it. I don't think I could literally I could probably just run across it. I love that melodramatic pose he did afterwards. Okay, let's try that. And go.
It's time to jump up there.
Whoa. John.
I am scared. If he can do it, I can do it.
Wow. I cannot believe you, John. No wonder you died. Oh, playing finger twister again. Ouch.
Let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
You go and count this for me and try to find me, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9,
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. I I'm so evil. Okay, let's see if we actually manage to make it. Okay, let's see where you are. Hello. John.
Those cries. That's John's voice.
He's over there. He's behind there, I think. John!
John! My foot. My foot is stuck. Grab him! I'll throw this.
Yeah. Come on, you can get out of there, Sean. Wait, Sean? No, this is John. No, come on, try it again. Sorry, John and Sean sound similar, so. I'm guessing the guy I'm playing is the origami killer. Because John is probably gonna die here. Because of the rain filling up the hole. Did you just pronounce the G in hang? Like he said, hang good. Whatever.
I'll be right back.
Find your dad, see if that'll help.
Poor kid never did find any help.
Oh, okay, we're back here then.
Brother drowned. Right for a rainbow.
Oh, it all makes sense now.
What happened to him?
Well, all I know is he got separated from his parents. I think he got adopted.
Oh.
Well, looks like a storm's coming.
It's been raining nearly the entire game. Of course there's a storm coming.
Christ, what a horrible story. John Shepard drowned in the rain while holding his brother's hand.
Really bad line delivery there.
He could be the origami killer.
Probably.
Come on, let's get back in the car. There she goes again. Surprising me. I don't usually like surprises. There's nothing else for us here. Let's go. Kid
What's the matter?
What? That's Kramer.
Yeah?
Well, the dad, at least. The dad, Kramer.
Charles Kramer.
Corey's father? What's he doing to me?
Putting flowers on John Shepard's grave.
Oh my god. Okay, now I'm more convinced that Gory is the origami killer. Okay, we're playing as Madison next. That's good to know.